It's been very slim pickings lately at Goodwill for electronics for the past year or so. I don't know if it's the pandemic or what, but I did pick up a couple deals recently. First of all, I got this Techniques AM/FM tuner for my stereo over here. I didn't do a video on it because there's nothing wrong with it. I got that for $5. I added that to my audio system because I didn't have a radio for that. And I also got this VHS DVD combo, Samsung. I'm not sure where it's from, but it was also $5. Let's see if I can get it back here and get an idea on the date. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Manufactured 2005. Oh, not too old, so it's in the 21st century. Pretty modern for me. Anyway, I think I'll take the top off and see if there's any little critters in there, and then give it a try, see what happens. Okay, it looks pretty clean inside. That VHS mechanism looks like a Funai one, even though it's labeled a Samsung. Let's see. I think by that date, I think Funai was the only one still making mechanisms. Let's see what happens when we try to load it. Okay. Head spin up. Loaded properly. Let's see. Where's play? Over here. Looks like it is playing. Fast forward, play, stop, fast forward. See if we can transition to stop, reverse, stop, play again. Stop and eject. Alright, doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it. No repairs to be made. Now this is the opposite of what I'm used to. So, take a look here. The VCR is working just fine.
Excuse us. Okay. Who ordered the pickle?
But even though the DVD opens up and closes, it never spins the disc up. And just continues to say loading. So looks like the DVD drive has got an issue. And the VCR is just fine. So let's take a look at that and call this part of it good. Just 3 screws, one here, and one here, and you have to take the front off too. That's just got little clips, plastic clips that hold it on. And then that allows you to get to the front 2 screws. And this comes right up. Let's see what we got here. There's a couple little ribbon cables to pop off, and there we've got the drive out. Let's see. Guess I'll take this off and see if something's wrong with that spindle. See if it's stuck. Alright, I'll pop the top off of this. And that looks okay. Spindle motor, I actually lubricated that motor with a little bit of a 10 weight Singer oil, at least that top bearing. It's making a little bit of noise as I spin it. But, the carriage is free. So let me put it back together, see if that makes any difference. Okay, well, I think this drive may be dead. I actually got it to spin up first time just by kind of hitting it like this. And it did start up a couple times. There it goes. So, I don't know, has it got a bad voltage or something wrong with that drive motor? Not sure. I will poke around, look at different voltages, and look for bad caps and stuff, but I can't find any. I think I'll just assume that drive is dead. Well, it's stopped now. And you can just use the VCR or look around for another drive to pop in it. Well, the Samsung VCR DVD combo is on the shelf along with my other all working VCRs. And this one just has a note on it saying the VCR works, but the DVD does not work. So I don't know, maybe I'll use this as a parts machine, or I'll just use it for VHS playback only. So this is a non-repair, non-fix on this one, but sometimes that happens. For $5, it's just not worth, you know, figuring out what's wrong with that that drive. So there we go.